Blake Lively fights back, dismisses $400 million lawsuit from Justin Baldoni. In a dramatic turn of events, Blake Lively has officially filed to dismiss the staggering $400 million defamation lawsuit brought against her by Justin Baldoni. This bold move comes as her legal team unleashes a scathing critique of Baldoni's claims, labeling them as vengeful and rambling and a profound abuse of the legal process that simply doesn't belong in federal court. According to court documents obtained by DailyMail.com, Lively's attorneys are not holding back. They argue that Baldoni's legal actions could backfire spectacularly, potentially costing his team a whopping $100 million due to a unique provision in California law that protects individuals who speak out against sexual harassment. This law, known as California Civil Code Section 47.1, is designed to prevent retaliatory lawsuits against those who bravely come forward with their experiences. This legal saga began in December 2024 when Lively accused her co-star Baldoni of sexual harassment on the set of their film, It Ends With Us, sparking a retaliatory smear campaign. In response, Baldoni filed his $400 million lawsuit in February, accusing Lively, her husband Ryan Reynolds, and publicist Leslie Sloan of defamation and extortion. All parties involved have vehemently denied the allegations, with Reynolds and Sloan also seeking to be dismissed from the lawsuit. In their motion to dismiss, Lively's legal team emphasizes that the lawsuit against her is fundamentally flawed and lacks a place in federal court. They highlight the legal protections afforded to individuals who have spoken out about sexual harassment, stating, "The law prohibits weaponizing defamation lawsuits to retaliate against individuals who have filed legal claims or have publicly spoken out about sexual harassment and retaliation." The documents further explain that by choosing to pursue their claims under California law, Baldoni and his team have inadvertently subjected themselves to the very protections they are trying to circumvent. The law ensures that individuals who report sexual harassment without malice are shielded from defamation claims, and if they prevail, they are entitled to recover attorneys' fees, punitive damages, and even treble damages. Lively's legal team argues that Baldoni's lawsuit is not just a legal misstep but a misguided attempt to silence her. They describe the lawsuit as a blunt public relations instrument aimed at burying Lively for having the courage to speak out. They assert that the claims lack any actionable legal basis and are instead a desperate attempt to retaliate against her for her allegations. In a particularly striking point, the documents reveal that Baldoni himself acknowledged Lively's genuine belief in her claims through a text conversation with his publicist, where they agreed that she genuinely believes she's right and that all of this is unjust. This admission could prove detrimental to Baldoni's case, as it undermines his claims of defamation. Lively's attorneys are calling for the court to dismiss all claims against her with prejudice, meaning they cannot be brought back to court, and to award her the relief she seeks, including attorneys' fees and damages for the harm caused by this meritless lawsuit. As this legal battle unfolds, it serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by those who dare to speak out against harassment in the workplace. Lively's spokesperson emphasized that she is not alone in facing such retaliation, highlighting the importance of California's recent legislation aimed at protecting victims of sexual harassment from defamation lawsuits. In the end, this case is not just about Lively and Baldoni, it represents a larger fight for justice and accountability in Hollywood and beyond. As the legal proceedings continue, all eyes will be on how this high-profile case unfolds and what it means for the future of those who bravely come forward with their stories.